I'm fully committed. But what is the 6-month sprint? I basically got the teleprompter and all that, and it's too scripted was the feedback, and it's just boring and it sucks.
So how many, like, you looking to film like probably release like once or twice a month kind of thing?
The goal is 1 long form a week and 20 cut up into 20 clips.
Each one? That's a lot.
No, I think.
Oh, 20 clips a month.
Yeah, maybe 20 clips.
Okay.
Just so something's coming out.
And the space is for who again?
Basically, fast-growing companies that need tech help building their marketing and sales automations.
Right. Listen, YouTube is like this creative like canvas, right? So there's like 1,000 ways to go about things these days. I think it's important to like play the creative game, right? Because you're getting onto this like creator platform. So publishing like a video a week off your iPhone, pumping them out, like it just sounds like it might be a destiny to just making mediocre content, right? And I think it is good just to get the muscles flowing and get practicing. So if that's what you want to...
Well, I was trying to do your just knock out 100 videos.
Sure.
10% better each time.
Okay, that's good. That's good then. Yeah, so if then starting that process, yes, is exactly...
I know this famous guy, Matt.
So yeah, if that's like what it looks like then for you to start doing that process, then yes, do that. That makes sense. I think over time, some things you could consider, like you're going to be committed to this for some time. So upgrading your camera. Yeah. So I mean, I would consider upgrading your camera, right? Like get an FX3, Sony FX3 or some nicer camera. Like that's an example. Get a Shure microphone. Like you're committed for 5 years. Like if you're committed for 5 years, like then just get the equipment you're going to have for 5 years, right? I think sometimes it'd be like, oh, people are like, oh, that's expensive. It's like, but like, you're doing this for a while, no? Like, is it going to be all those leads you're going to get over 5 years? Like, is it still expensive? You know? No, then why wait for like a year from now to get the nice equipment? Why not just start with like, just upgrade it a little bit? Because these are like CEOs and founders and all these people, like it'll just make the
really high ticket. It's like,
yeah. So you want to make it look like you're making hundreds of thousands of dollars per client, you know, not like.
It's kind of like whale hunting.
Yeah, so I would show up, you know, you don't show up to a whales meeting in person with a tank top on, right? And so you don't film videos for whales off your iPhone. That would be my rule. That would be that's like what comes to my brain. I know I've said the rules around just get started on the iPhone, and you should still do that if that's what you need to get going and starting. But if you're like, yeah, you know what, makes sense. Like I'm ready just to upgrade this and make some like good shit and let's just do this thing, then I would do it. And on the innovative side, like things to consider, like, you know, you could even, like, what would be just an insane thing that you could give these people that would just like blow their fucking minds, right? So starting with them first and then what you're going to create versus like, I got to create a YouTube video a week. It's like, they don't care, right? And so an example of what would really matter to them is like a fully automated HubSpot infrastructure in 2 hours. Let's just say. Right? And it's like this 2 hour, like, and it's like in brackets, like full course. And it's basically like you're giving away like a full course on how to automate your entire business with HubSpot. I'm just naming some bullshit, right? Something that you know that like a lot of people that you do, like they're really interested in right now.
Yeah.
Right? And it's like you're giving away this 2 hour free course on YouTube. Like, it's like, why are you doing this? Like, it's just so ridiculous, right? But like, that's the point. Like, it's so generous. Right? So you're this new guy on the scene that they'd never heard of before, but they're like circling it with their team. They're like, yo, you got to watch this. You got to watch this. You got to watch this. Right? Because it's like this new tech that's insane that you clearly know, that's like filmed nice. They get it. It's like, why is he not charging for this thing? Sure enough, like they start reaching out to you and are like, hey, I watched the thing. That was insane. Like, can we work together in some way to like you implement this in our company? You know what I mean? And maybe you can only do one of those a month, like, or just that one video in a month. Like and that I would be open to that, you know? So there's lots of different paths to go, right? There's the path that you are fine to go, which is like the iPhone and getting 10% better each time. Like that's a fine path. Just based on your niche, based on what I would actually do in your shoes. I would be a little more like user focused and what would really make these whales like blow their fucking mind, where someone from their company or the CEO is sharing it in their Slack and sharing it with their tech team and like, yo, we've got to work with this guy, right? And what do those ideas look like, right?
Okay.
Oftentimes with my videos these days, like I think about how can I create a video that someone would be willing to pay $100,000 for, right? It's an insane bar, right? And I don't even think most of our videos, or even maybe any of them, actually hit that bar. But it's just like an interesting frame of reference to think about, right? Like, how could a video be worth $100,000 but be free, right? Like, what does that get you thinking about in terms of content topics and such?
That line, like, I see the difference between your paid and your free stuff. You're giving out a lot of great free stuff.
Yeah. So, and we keep like upping that bar. And so that's the path that I would try to go with it. And maybe when I started going on YouTube, the mistake I made was I was making like 3 YouTube videos a week. I ended up changing it to 1 video per month so that we could dial up the quality, make it way better, be more intentional about what we were making, and like just hit it and make videos that I was proud to share with a lot of people versus being like, oh yeah, I made this video, but like I'm not that proud of it. It's fine, it's not great. So yeah, it depends on your own strategy, but that's the route I would go.